For this activity, we're going to be working on strengthening both the internal and external rotators of the shoulder. To start with, you don't need any additional resistance, but as you improve with this exercise, adding a small weight to your hand or wrist can be beneficial. We're going to start by laying flat on our back and bringing our knees up to take pressure off the low back. Place the elbow at 90 degrees to the body and with a 90-degree bend. From here, we're going to start by rotating the arm as far as we can backwards, and then bringing the arm back up and doing the same thing, rotating forward. On the forward direction, try not to let your shoulder creep up. Try to keep the shoulder pinned down to the surface beneath you. If you can't get as far, that's okay for now. Your range of motion will improve as you do this exercise. We're going to rotate back and forth, slow and controlled, feeling a good contraction and stretch in both directions. As you're ready to progress, consult with your provider about adding some resistance to this exercise and perform sets and reps based on their recommendation.